What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I will show you how to sign up or create Microsoft Outlook email account. So you might be aiming on creating your Outlook account here from Microsoft. Well, signing up or creating your account is fairly easy. So first things first is you want to go to Microsoft.com. So just go to Microsoft.com here, and at the top right, you should see an option that says sign in. So let's go and click on it. Now from here, it should direct you to sign in page, but since we want to create our account, let's go and click on create an account. And from here, we need to fill out some details here. So first is you need to provide your email address. So let's go and just add our email address here. Now, by the way, just to give you some idea here, if the email address is not available, so also make sure that you use that at outlook.com here so that you get this one. So let's go ahead and use this one, and let's go ahead and click on next and see if it's actually available. Now, if your email address is available, it's going to just ask you to create your password. So let's go ahead and create a password here, or enter our password and click on next. Now it's going to ask you to provide certain details about your account here. So let's go ahead and choose our birthday here, our country and region as well. And let's go ahead and click on next. And from here, you could go and add your name here, your last name, and also if you want to receive the information tips here, go ahead and allow this one and click on next. Now it's going to ask you to prove that you are human. Let's go ahead and click on solve puzzle, and from here you can go and just do the puzzle accordingly here. Let's go ahead and submit this one, and it's going to say success. And once you've done or fill out all the information here, that should actually create your account. So as you can see right now, we just created our account. So what we need to do next is we just need to go to Outlook. So in this case, you would want to go ahead and go to outlook.com, press enter. And from here, let's go ahead and just click on skip for now. And as you can see, you're already logged in with the email address that we just recently created. So let's go ahead and click on the fresh page. It might take some time to load up, but once it's actually loaded up, as you can see, we've just created our Microsoft account or our Outlook account here. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.